Hi, I'm Sandy McTeer in the Deco Art Studios, excited to share with you Americana Enchanted and Americana Enchanted Shimmer. The Americana Enchanted captures the dazzling effect of a peacock feather or mimics the exquisite beauty of a beetle wing with translucent, high-quality interference colors that dance and change depending on that light. For a deeper iridescent finish, just apply additional coats. Let me show you how beautifully this paint looks on our ultra matte black base coat. Just shimmers and shines as you put it on. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look how beautiful that light hits the iridescent top coat. The other product that just adds that shimmer and shine and sparkle to your projects is the Americana Enchanted Shimmer. Who doesn't love a little shimmer and shine and bling? And that's exactly what the Americana Enchanted Shimmer is going to do for your projects. The particles in it are so beautiful and sparkly. Think of like a butterfly wing, or they dance and shift as the light hits it. This was painted again with the ultra matte black, super matte base coat. And that Americana Enchanted Shimmer just took that to a whole new level. Again, that's Deco Art Americana Enchanted and Enchanted Shimmer.